Students of Imphal College today staged a protest demanding clarity from relevant authority regarding four-year undergraduate program under NEP 2020. Students who were present at the protest chanted slogans against Education Minister and Commissioner Director for jeopardizing the academic careers of thousands of students in the state. Janet Lyshram, a fifth semester student of Imphal College, said, "Government has so far kept students in the dark regarding four-year undergraduate program. Students who have completed their sixth semester are facing uncertainty as to where they can pursue their fourth year." She urged the government and relevant authority to specify the colleges where fourth-year graduate program will be introduced, while also warning to intensify agitations if their demands are not met at the earliest.
Manipur da NEP 2020 ki seru ama oina 4-year degree course asi sanare tawbudabu 4-year degree with research honors with research haribasi tamham government na hoji phawba Manipur ki college singi tamham thopidri basima atuba matamda masi thopiyu chhatra singi academic career mahan bigano state na NEP 2020 asi mapung phana Manipur da chalaibiyu phanghanbiyu kaigumba phanghanba ngamoidabu oitaragadi masiga mari leinaba education Minister, Director, Commissioner, sing mamay na bakudaka from Tadopio, Sindopio. Iho makai yang tojiba makai tabak bagi wakola do Tadopio, ako tumanda ya palo bagi tabasi toze. Sacha singi punsibu kan biu sacha singu semga biu. Masiga loina na. Sacha singu pajana takpi tambiba nga moidabo dasi. Isana khangna. O dagi simhamdagi laptopio. Haizari basinga si atu matamda tabak to ontok pinaba. Haizari kaiguma tabak to ontok pio tabata aragadi. Sacha singna sidagi hena. Konggang kaya ama tangsa lakani sa drama gi tabom thopa thoda adu lawaga